Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be opening some blind boxes and bags. So I have a few here, not too many. I'm not going to open all these at once. I'm going to open the other ones later. So we have some of these DC minis, totally tiny, some micro minis, some Disney stamps, some Disney princess stamps, some puppies in my pocket, jungle in my pocket, this trolls ball, this blind ball, and these, which I am definitely opening up today because I do have to open up the Barbie Dreamland house, which has a mystery pet. So in order to figure out which ones we're going to open, I'm going to put them inside of this micro mini box. And I'm going to shake them up and then choose at random. And then we'll set it aside and start putting it out random. I'll set it over here. Alright, so the first one is the Disney Princess Surprise Stamper. So we can either get Ariel, Rapunzel, or Moana. And it comes with some activity sheets also. Let's go ahead and open this one. So the paper got kind of ripped because it was away at the top. It's unfortunate, but it's fine. Here are the papers. And the stamp we got is Rapunzel. Here's what the stamp looks like. Here we go. Puppy in my pocket. And we can get Mo, Riley, Chardo, Carmela, Oscar, Charlotte, Sally, Spike, Tasha, and Tessa. We'll open that one. This is Charo. It's a cute little chihuahua, and they're also blocked a little. Really cute. And here we have a jungle in my pocket. The characters are Apollo, Leopoldo, Lionel, Whitney, Fernando, Gregor, Kata, Prowler, Chomper, and Manny. Let's open this one. Oh look, it's so cute. This is Lionel. So cute and tiny. And these are also blocked. I'm back. My phone said I ran out of space. So next we have this DC Minis. Well, DC Minis Micros. And this comes with 2 figures per pack. Here's the back side. And we can get the Flash, Blue Beetle, Shazam, Aquaman, Mera, Blue Beetle, Poison Ivy, Catwoman, Batman, Batgirl, Lex Luthor, the Joker, Harley Quinn, Supergirl, Superman, Bumblebee, the Flash, and Wonder Woman. I really want Batman, Superman, and Harley Quinn. So let's go ahead and get this open. Let me get something open this real quick. So ooh, that went fine. And it opens from the front. So there's a checklist. And just to give us a better look at everybody. Get it out. There we go. So here they are up close. Open this one first. And we have Wonder Woman. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me show you a, what do you call the Disney one? Adorable for scale. So here is the micro mini, and here is the adorable. The adorables are really tiny. And then I also got this minifigure out for scale too. There's a minifigure. So she's really cute. Okay, let's open the next one. Hopefully you can see everything well. This is my first time trying this angle, so hopefully it works out fine. If not, I'll figure something else out. Ooh, there we go. And then we have the Flash. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Flash. I've never been, but this one is really, really cute. And so this is Wonder Woman Flash are just commons. Oh, here's the inside of the box. I don't know if I showed it. Really, really cute. And so we're gonna get one more Disney Mickey Mouse. Well, not Mickey Mouse, the Disney snaps. So these are big. We have a Bumblebee. We're just going to stamp it on this one. B. And then the second one we have is Tigger. These are really big stamps. I'm going to stamp this one. Oh, that's really cute. So cute. Now, that's it for the blind bags right now. Well, these blind bags. Now I'm going to get into the Barbie stuff. So we have the lipstick, which these are the Barbie fashionistas, I believe. And also, I heard they have like codes on the back of them, but they're like different for everyone. And then we have this Barbie color wheel. This one needs water, so we're going to do this last. And then we're going to open the Barbie Dream House, which I'm excited for this. Let's go get this open first. It's taped, so let's just do this. So here's the lipstick. And you just twist it up. And we'll see who we got. We have this Barbie. She's really tiny. I'm going to grab an actual Barbie for scale. Ooh, jeez. She was in her tight. And they also bend at the hips. They remind me of Polly Pocket. A little. This little Barbie. With my Malibu can here. And she's really, really small. Not a lot of people are using these as Barbies for Barbies. But they're so tiny. And I don't have a Barbie. So I'm going to use everything I had off a scale. So tiny. So there's this doll, and we can put her back in her little base. Sit her back there. And here is all the dolls you can get. I wanted a can, but I didn't get one. Because this is the only one, the lipstick is the only one that has cans. So, next we're going to go ahead and do the house. The house comes with a mystery pet, as I said. The doll is going to be this one. Here's the back. I was so happy when I found out that these had come out, because it's such a fun idea. One second. So we've cut it out. I actually kind of saved the packaging, which is really cool, because I want to use this as a backdrop, because I plan on making a little Barbie city on top of my bookshelf. So there's that. And here's the house. Here's the swing, the bed, and the mystery. So here it is up close. We have a little watching section where the TV and stuff at. We have a kitchen and these little heart plates to put everybody in. This is where the bed goes. So this is a bedroom. We have the slide that goes all the way down. Some palm trees. And I think the chair can hang there. But the chair actually can go here. So we have the chair here. But I think we can also put the chair kind of put it here. Not really. But it can work. Go ahead and snap the bed in. And the elevator also works. There we go, it's much better. So you can see it a lot better. And then, oh yeah, the back side, the door opens. And then here are all the details in the back. Now in this little mystery box here, here is a doll. She's really pretty too. And then our mystery is how it's sealed. The doll was on top and the mystery is up under. We have this really tiny doggy. So cute, so tiny. It comes with this little dog house. Here is adorable for scale. And also one of the little pets. And the dolls, they're too tiny, way too tiny. Also with the house. This house is like a decent size for a doll house if you wanted your dolls to play with it. So yeah, the house is really big. So here's a little doggy, little dog house. Now we're gonna go ahead and get to the color reveal, which is this one here. So we're going to cut this open. And there's the code. Now, apparently this works just like the real color reveal. I've never opened a color reveal, but I've seen other people do them before. And it has all these little details on it. So I'm going to pull this open. Alrighty. So here's our doll. And you guys take the doll out of the plastic. Get trash out the way real quick. So here it is. Now we're going ahead and put some water in here. Here's the fill line. So give me 1 second. There we go. The water. We're going to go ahead and stick it all in. So I know a lot of people like to shake it around in there, but I don't want to make a mess right now. So we're just going to do a little twirly thing. And there we go. It's starting. We're going to drop her in there. Put the cap back on. There she is. Now let's give it a shake. Set that aside. And here is our doll. She has this really pretty purple hair and purple outfit. And with orange streaks in the back. And so here are all 3 of the dolls that we got this time. And I don't know if I showed it. Where is the... What do I do with the box? Here's the dolls you can get in the color reveal. So, also there's like this little slider so they can just go down the slide into the pool. And they also sit in the swing, but they fall out often. Oh, someone flew out of bed. Anyway, there's everything. And there's everything we opened today. Which one of these is your favorite? Have you opened any of these? I highly recommend checking some of these out. They're really, really cute and really fun to have. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is my first time doing a blind box opening, so I hope it turned out okay. Hopefully next time I can do something different, maybe to try to get it better and probably fix the angle all the way. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all later. Bye.